notice you've started over a few times with Queen Sparta's head.
It's true. The next fresh block of marble will be the 8th.
The next one? But this one seems so close to finished.
This? No. I've known in my heart for some time this one was mere practice. The statue honoring Queen Sparta must be perfect. And now that you have returned my good chisel, I feel as though the muses themselves guide my hands.
That is good to hear, sir.
Kratos, you need not call me sir every time you address me. My name is Konstantinos, or you may call me Costas.
Yes, sir.
You are going to continue to call me sir, yes?
Most likely, sir.
Father, I thought the Agoj was supposed to be some terrible place. But the way you describe it, most of the people sound pretty nice.
It is how I choose to remember.
Or maybe you're just leaving out the parts you don't want me to hear?
Perhaps.
Kratos, I was thinking about what you said, and I want you to know, I'm grateful for your leadership. The other cadets look up to you, and I don't know if they'd have been as accepting of me and the Agoj without the respect you've shown me.
There's nothing to thank me for. You demonstrated your prowess the first time you sparred Ace and put him on his back. Fast feet, fast mind, creative, focused. Anyone with confidence enough in their own abilities should have no difficulty acknowledging yours.
Just the same, I'm glad to have you as my brother in arms. And if anyone can find Vasilis, it's you and Deimos. I've kept you long enough.
Come.
You! Are you following us?
Brother, he is Cryptea.
I have watched you. Down to Cyclops, fought a Stymphalion. Impressive for your age. I also know you searched for the missing boy.
No. We were, just on assignment, sir. The sculptor was...
Do not do that. Do not lie. You dishonor yourself and you insult me. I am not the Agauge. I am not judging you. A man must make his own choices. Just be prepared to live with the consequences.
Sir? Do not forget your knives.
Your knives. You will need them. Walk your own path. Choose to look for the boy, choose not to. Just know, the further from home you go, the more difficult the return.
Literally? Philosophically?
Both? Demos!
Good. Another one. That's odd. Sure you did it right?
I'm placing a bust on an altar. How could I do that wrong? Hold on. There's some dust in my Curtis's ears. Maybe that's the problem.
Can't believe that worked. Well, the eyes and mouth have been no help. Should we give the ears a shot?
Could hear anything interesting here. Heard a Stymphalion. It's the same one we fought earlier? But we're here now. find out. Stay alert.